Hey, it's been a minute since I made some videos on YouTube or TikTok. Just been organizing my place, and this incredible hook that I'm about to reveal is taking up a lot of time. He's going to be my centerpiece for Comic Con. I finally got a booth for this May Comic Con in Virginia Beach, May 20th, that weekend. And hopefully I can do well with some of my art out there and show everybody what I can do. This will be my first one. I go to them all, but this is my first time getting a booth. But anyway, today I have the Incredible Hulk that I've been building. He's my It's my third time printing him, but this is my largest print ever, and I'm excited to show everybody and show my process. Some of the video recording was a little janky because sometimes my camera was off, but this time I'm learning some lessons on how to record. Like, I got my stairs in the background now. I got to get better with it as I get more into this and do like the other guys are doing. Follow the model. This is easy if you just organize. But I will get more organized and get my stuff together. All right, check it out. See you soon. Okay, you can see here. I have his back printing. Well, you can see the back side of his torso. Um, Here I got the heads. You can see the smaller head compared to the bigger ones. Uh, yeah, this is my third time printing this guy. So I plan on doing the Red Hulk also in the smaller format. Here he is. I'm starting to piece them together, clean them up. The base, oh man, yeah, that took 30 hours to print just one corner of the base, which is 5 pieces total. Now I'm starting to prep him and do some priming. So I'll start off with a black primer, and then I'll come back in with my white primer over the black as a highlight and a guideline, because I still go through with my colors over those highlights, and it just gives me a guideline uh, to see where I'm at and bring out all the details that that I miss when you just use a solid primer. That helps out a lot. I kind of wish I would have did like I normally do, and just paint each part separately. But he's so big that it's just I don't know. It was a big undertaking, but he's gonna be my centerpiece for my table. So I wanted to do him as good as I can. Um, I filled in a lot of his gaps and used magnets, but he's so heavy that the magnets didn't even matter in some of the places. So I just went ahead and pieced them together. But I did originally have them separated. All right, just finishing up that black prime, and then I'll come in with my highlight. I try to get a lot of coverage. I'll coat him maybe 2 or 3 times just to make sure, I don't miss no gray. I'll pick him up and I'll flip him upside down. So, guys, I do have the torso still not connected, and his head is still connected with a magnet, so I can do switch outs for the other pose or the other portrait. Here I'm using my favorite cheap airbrush. It's $40 on Amazon, and it just does everything I needed to do. But I do have the Angel Heraldez Harder and Steenbeck. Should be delivered tomorrow. It was my Christmas present. I've been waiting for this to be delivered since December. I gave my wife the info about it in November, but she's not very savvy on ordering things from other countries, so she gave me the money on Christmas. I'll take that. So I bought it on, I believe, the 29th of December, so I can get that special before the end of the year closeout. And so I should be getting the deal where you get the extra needle. I've been following that guy. He's awesome. He's the best of the best. But here I am doing some highlighting, bringing out all that detail. This Incredible Hulk is massive. He was made and designed by Wicked 3D Art. I'm a subscriber to their Patreon. I'm a subscriber to them, Sanix, and a couple other guys that are just awesome. And yes, I do have the degree and the skill to sculpt, but I'm also a barber full time, and this is what I like to do also. Of course, art is my number one, but I still, have to make ends meet in other ways too. Yes, I'm retired Navy, but that's not everything. So I have to do as much as I can when I can. So I'm painting late night into the early mornings sometimes. Now here I went with a purple under a base coat, and now I'm going over with the green. That purple base coat, it helps bring out the skin tones and makes that green pop. Really makes it look like skin, so to speak. Got to make sure you come from under also. Even though, he's big, you put the lid on that airbrush and you just get in the nooks and crannies wherever you can. All right. Now I'm going in and I'm spraying with a lighter green. I'm using the Army Painter paints right now. But I use a combination of the Army Painter air paints, the Citadel contrast colors, and also the Army Painter speed paints, and I will thin out some Vallejo to help out also. I have everything, but you need everything to accomplish, these these things that we're trying to do with resin. You need everything, the right alcohol to clean them up. You need, liquid mask, all that. I'm trying to hit those veins. Got to make those veins pop. And I'll go with a lighter mixture. I'll mix some yellow and white and green together to get that color. And then what I'll do is go back over him with almost like some contrast color, and coat that, just so it's not standing out too much. I also went to cosmetology at school. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and I learned to do nails while I was in school. So I think I'm a good a good artist to do these nails correctly. Make sure you pay attention to detail, and get it just like you would get the ladies. All right, back to highlighting. Highlighting that massive back. You uncover all kind of muscles when you start doing that highlighting. This dude is just a beast. Everything I wanted to be when I was a kid. Okay, so off camera, I did his jeans. Um, Now I'm highlighting with some dry brushing. Now I'm doing his teeth, getting those pearly whites polished up. He's hollering. All right. Forgive me. Some of this film was out of view. Uh, what I'm doing, I'm coloring in the blacks of his eyes so that his eyelashes are already done, and then I'll go back with the white to bring the whites of his eyes. Not actually white. I did a mixture of white and green and a little bit of yellow. But yeah, I learned this technique from a couple of artists on YouTube, and I appreciate all of the help that I get. They're not personally helping me, but I appreciate their channels. And I watch Ground Affected. I watch the Creative Collector and Angel Heraldez. a few other like Ninjon and his homeboy. Um, those dudes are awesome. And I've been painting most of my life, and I'm 48 years old, and I never stop enjoying it. Now you can see the whites are painted in. Then I will go in and I will take uh, a dark green to make the first circle of his eyes, the the outer part. Then I go in with a lighter green and start making the inner parts of his eyes. Then get that black dot in and some white highlight. Yeah, I wanted that look as if it's the David Banner from the 1970s. That 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 greeny contact lens look that they had on Lou Ferrigno. I always love that because he looks like he's pissed. Now I'm going in and doing those eyebrows, just with a little bit of hint of green to that black. Here he's almost done. I've highlighted as much as I can, and now I got the base. Just going in with a wash first, because I primed it already. Now I'm dry brushing his hair. Getting those grays to pop out, because I mean this is the the Mark Ruffalo Incredible Hulk, and he's got some gray coverage. And now I'm going in and also dry brushing the base. close to the finish line. All right, here we are. This is my reveal. Ah! All right, guys, if you really like this, which I enjoyed doing this, it was exciting coming home from work every day and knocking this out. It took about 2 weeks from printing and paint to finish this. And if you like it, I appreciate you. And you want me to keep posting on videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on the other channels like YouTube at DSAR74, on TikTok, and also Derek Sargent _ at Instagram. And I'll keep posting. All right, thank you for your support, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.